Hello friends, in today's session we may discuss how tuples are implemented in Python. In our previous section we had already finished how list arrays are implemented in Python. So saying about tuple, a tuple is a collection of values of different types. Unlike list, tuples values are indexed by integers. The important difference in tuple are immutable. They are immutable. So let's start with Spider IDE with a small example to have the tuple. So I declared a variable tuple with open and close bracket with including some numbers that start from 10 to 60. Just I had printed that value or printed the tuple, and I had initiated a count value, that integer value that is 0, and I have a loop for I in tuple 1 where it will jump from initial value of tuple to each and every value in this tuple. So in next, the print statement consists tuple 1 of percentage %d. The percentage %d denotes the position. So there is no position. Most probably the value should be really denoted the position, but in tuples it cannot be denoted at position because sometimes it will vary. So here we can see two options that are count. The count is really denoted for percentage %d here because of the count value will be returned inside this print statement. And next, the I value will be returned here, the second percentage %d. So let's see how the output will be. Okay, as I told that the position is not represented here as all the positions are 0. Unlike arrays, it cannot be depends on the position. It can be vary with any values. So, that's why it is represented at different types. So it's a collection of values with different types. Simple definition for tuples. So I think you may get an idea about what is tuple and how can we use tuple, what is the visualization of tuple. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on next video. Bye.